fucking busy. You can have my autograph, shit, a little signature. I know people gonna be hugging at me like, what the fuck are you doing? I need fun. Fucking tired, man, over here fucking working. I'm a fucking dancer / Uber Lyft driver. Love it though. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Just some gum. I'm smacking on my gum like Hold on, y'all. I gotta change the song real quick. You know what I'm saying? Like, where I'm from. I need to change this shit to some fucking dance hall or something. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. It might interrupt, but I gotta change this shit to some damn dance hall.
My gosh. Oh 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 my gosh. My gosh. My gosh. My gosh. My gosh. I love Mr. Vegas and the was girl. Me love Shelly and Cash pretty like her. Body look good and I ear full of her. Girl right down and give me a flat girl. Yeah, Mr. Baby make a hand change girl. Top magazine back to the girl. And the way the girl carry clever girl. Here what the Vegas says.
I might do a video today, y'all. I might do a video.
New message is received from Christy from Louisiana.
My bad.
Give me the light, let's get it, but girlfriend, I hold you so
shit. I like that song. Show up. What are you guys doing? I like no good songs on this damn thing. I'm like really mad I had to like delete all my fucking videos, y'all. Happens when you get in a fucking relationship. But it's okay, because I'm still coming back. Fuck that shit. I got thicker. I ain't fat. I just got thicker shit. Miss talking to you guys, man. He's a justice.
Everybody see your body. What your favorite song? Cause you know theater, you know body, you know no girl, you know I'm no girl close. So next time when you get the man pass, walk up in on the light and pose, girl. You don't go right, up and down and wine. Girl, you know you want the man sunshine, right? Up and down and wine. Hey girl, this is the boring time. Up and down and wine, big like Shelly, big time, time. Up and down and wine. Anytime you want to check a problem again. You see, another girl empty again. Girl at the show, me a grab them again. When them a know I see the girl, them a look out. I to the door till the fucker then come out. Sing for the girl, them a know say you look young. Good that you bustin' no done down. See gooder than gold mine. Walk over and do grand wine. Girl, you know you are the man sunshine. Walk over and do grand wine. I can't listen to boring time. Grand wine, fit like Shelly on him big time. Walk over and do grand wine.
I'll let you know. Most definitely, I'll let you know. I need to take my ass somewhere. Always, man. I drive for Lyft and Uber, so I was trying to make me a little bit of cash right now, and going to my mom's, might make a quick video, and yeah, enjoying my fucking day. It's fucking Tuesday. It's not the weekend yet, but it's all good though. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Still like it. Still like it. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. You guys, I need a fucking thing or something. My music over here sucks. I can twerk something, but I'm driving. How the fuck am I gonna do that? Email me. My email address should be on my page or somewhere. I don't know. Hold on, y'all. It's gonna be reconnecting real quick. I gotta go do something real quick. I gotta change the station. Ugh, I can't talk. I'm originally from Shreveport, Louisiana, but I live up in Denver, Colorado. Denver. But I'll be out in Louisiana though. May 18th to the 23rd. I'll be down in Bossier City. So, you know, come check it out. Bad connection where I'm at. I'm about to hop on the highway though in a minute. Show y'all Denver. Can I even like push this shit anyway? Oh yes I can. Hey, see that? That would be cheap. Yeah. Hey. I wish I could fucking ride on here. Anyway.
open Utterball and beer. Hot one. Hot one.
I keep hitting dead spots.
Hot one.
Everyone keep thinking I'm ugly. I'm not ugly. I kill. I don't like that song. Stem like the sugar.
It's the Elephant Man. And the twist
What the fuck is DSL? You know I'm slow as fuck. I'm 22. Actually, I'll be 23 in August. I'm gonna put this back on here because I'm about to hop on the highway, y'all. I gotta hop on the highway. Hold on.
say Mr. Fit your man, and I say Mr. Fit your man. I come here to get to that. Fet in the name. We don't play. We come night and day. Nothing get tired away. We coming again. Every day. We full of energy. It's like they calling away. Like that is the name. Don't care if I whine on you. I want you start whining back. When the music starts to flow, make sure you waistline intact now. Don't care if I whine on you. I want you start whining back. When the music starts to flow, make sure you waistline intact now. Jump up and wave, jump up and wave, jump.
Jump up and wave. I can't sing worse shit. Oh shit.
Jump up and wave, jump up and wave, jump up and
I gotta put my glasses on, y'all. I can't see.
so when they say shut it down, give me one more song. We still going
What's up, nerdy?
drinking away. Next day if we heads will hurt, we still going to work. Then we linking up and betting again. They call me Mr. Fet, since I'm born I never miss one yet. If sun shining and dripping sweat, thunderstorm and I'm soaking wet. They say Mr. Fet you're mad, and I say Mr. Fet you're mad. I come here to get on bad. Fetting is the name. We don't play. We going night and day. No fet get tired away. We coming again. Every day. We full of energy. Fet they calling away. Like that is the name. Don't care if I whine on you. I want you start whining back. When the music starts to flow, make sure you waistline intact now. Don't care if I whine on you. I want you start whining back. When the music starts to flow, make sure you waistline intact now.
Okay. I was on the Huh? Oh, well, give me a second. Let's me go. My lord. That's my little. Dinah. Hi, mama's baby. I love her so much. Is my thing like freezing, going slow or something? I just don't know.